All right, so we're checking our work. These are the 3 problems you were asked to do. We're trying to find equivalent fractions. And remember, equivalent fractions mean 2 fractions that have the same amount. Okay? So we were using either division or multiplication for this strategy. There we go. All right, so look, I told you to try to divide first. Once you divide, if that doesn't work, you multiply. And remember, whatever you do to the top, the numerator, you have to do the same thing to the denominator. Who wants to tell me what were they able to do? Could you divide a number by the top and the bottom? Grace?
Divided by 2.
Okay, 2 does work. So we divide the top and the bottom by 2. And our new fraction is 4/9. Was there any other number we could have divided them by? Do you think there was another number, Maya? Okay, then I'll check yours in a minute because 2 is really the only number that could have been divided by the top and the bottom. All right, let's move down to 2/15. Sorry. Was there a number I can divide the top and the bottom into equally? Does anybody? Tyler? No, we can't. So we're going to multiply instead. Now, guys, some of you are thinking, well, what do I multiply it by? That's the hardest decision. And I always say, pick a low number. It doesn't matter. You can pick any. You can choose 1,000,000 if you want, but we're not. I want you to pick a number 5 or below except 1. So what can I multiply the top and the bottom by to get an equivalent fraction? Tori? 2. It's so much easier to stick with a low number. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 15 is 30. So an equivalent fraction would be 4/30. And now our final one, 12/15. Remember, what we're going to try to divide first. Is there a number I can divide the top and the bottom numbers into equally, Brandon?
Divided by 5.
I can divide
Divided by 3.
divide the top and the bottom by 3. Yes, we can definitely do that. So we'll divide the top and the bottom by 3, and I will get 4/5. Is there any other number I could have divided the top and the bottom by? Some of you are unsure. Actually, no, there's not another number we could have divided that top and bottom by. That's pretty much it. But on your homework tonight, you might find numbers that do have more than one option. So please remember, when you're finding an equivalent fraction, you're either going to divide or multiply. All right?